Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to buy Free Fire characters. To purchase characters in Free Fire game, launch open the Garena Free Fire app on your Android or iOS device and make sure you are logged into your account and have a stable internet connection. Once you're inside this lobby screen of Free Fire, go ahead and get to the bottom of the screen and tap on the preset button. Now from the preset option, tap on one of your presets and click on character. On the next page, choose a different character you want to change to or select the character you want to purchase. After you tap on one of the characters, it will display the character's name and their skills, abilities, and price. Free Fire characters can be bought using gold and diamonds. The golds are earned by playing matches, and the diamonds are the premium currency bought with real money. Check which payment method the character needs, and then tap on purchase. Now, go ahead and select whether you'd like to spend gold or diamonds. If you have enough gold or diamonds, tap on one of the options in order to purchase the character. Confirm your purchase when prompted, and after buying, you can select the character and equip them to start using the character in matches. So that's it. Now you know how you can buy Free Fire characters and start using their special abilities in battles. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.